This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find your photos and the gallery on your Android tablet. So if you lost your gallery or something like that, you can just swipe up from the bottom and we can try typing in gallery. And I can see my photo gallery right here. And we can allow all right now. Otherwise, what we can do is just swipe up from the bottom and we can type in photos. So here's photos, and we can just see if there's any photos on here. So here's the photos I recently took. They look good on my tablet. The other thing that you can do is swipe up and go to Files. Here's Files, and then you can go to Images or Videos. And here is my pictures under here as well. So we can go on over to the video section now too. Now, another thing that you could try searching for is camera. And open up your camera application and then go to this little thumbnail of the picture. And then we can go to the top to the picture icons right there. And it'll bring us to Google Photos as well. Now, if you still can't find it, we can go over to the Google Play Store. So we can type in Store right here and tap it. And then we go to Search and just type in Gallery. And we can download various different gallery applications. So here's Google Photo right here. Here's Gallery, Gallery. And the one I have installed is Gallery by Google. So you can get this one, or you can try a completely different one. So let's see if one of these has a good rating. This one does not. Here's Photo Gallery. Looks like the Google Photos one, but I can just go to Install. Has a good rating, 4.7. So if you ever can't find your own gallery, just download another one. So we can go to Open. It says your photo manager. And this should be able to access your photos. So it says we found 399. I think that's an ad. So some of these do have ads, but we can just go to Continue the app. Default English. Okay, and then we go through here and grant the access to it. Tap here. And we should be good to go now. Okay, so you can see my pictures in here recently, and it looks like that's a PDF file for some reason, but this one works, and it does have ads, so that's why I like the other ones. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.